Oy, ako'y maipit ani nagana ba. Ang paspas magayon ning duha ka buok eh. Prime Canada. Yes, ako igihangatan ni guys. So peoples. Your country, ma'am, Canada, right?
Canada, yeah. How long you've been a guide? How long you've been working as a guide here?
3 years, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
3 years. You said last week you came from Camiguin.
Yeah.
What the next after this?
We go to the Palawan?
Palawan.
Yeah.
And
2 days.
2 days. So after that you back home.
Yeah, after we go back home.
Okay. So nice.
Yeah, we had a month in the Philippines.
And you say you hike the Camiguin 2,000? 2,000?
Yeah, it was 1,200 meters.
1,200 meters.
Still a lot.
Yeah. Ani marag ako'y maipit ani dagana.
Paspas niya?
Yeah, kasi nag-English yan.
Paspas kayo ba? Marag naanad na hinon pag English ani. Okay sir, you go first sir to protect your partner in case of accident. This is the last trip for relax.
Okay.
Under the heat of the sun. Okay ra pod na sir ma'am kay nindot man pod. Nindot pod kayo ba?